Today we're gonna see how to fix Western Union Error C1974. Firstly, contact Western Union customer support. Reach out to Western Union's customer service immediately for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help address any concerns. Also ensure that all the information provided during the transaction, such as recipient details and payment information, is accurate and consistent. And finally, check your account for any unusual or unauthorized transaction that might have triggered the error. Adhere to any additional security measures or verifications steps as instructed in Western Union to validate your transaction. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to fix some of Western Union's error.